Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find battery and device care. As you can see on the fourth position in this list we've got the device protection option, which is right now turned off, so let's tap on it and simply tap on turn on. Of course we've got the info no threats has been found, but let's tap on scan phone and as you can see your device will right now scan itself, so it will scan the apps, the processes which are currently on this device in order to find any malware, any viruses, any problems actually. And as you can see in my case no threats has been found. Of course, it may take a while, so be patient, depending on how much apps you've got currently installed. And as I said, in my case, no threats has been found, no viruses, no malware. But if in your case your device will find something, then it will list it right here and you will be able to check it and then remove the problem or the virus. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.